It's liberation. House chose me as much as I chose house. Once I fell in love with it was the mission, it was the movement, it was what I thought about when I woke up. It became one of the most important things in my life. When you move your body for the goal of joy and ecstasy, 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 ecstasy,
Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Woo, it's cooking, baby. I hope you guys are ready for it. Bonang and myself have cooked up a storm for you guys. That was the appetizers in London. We're ready for the main course now in New York. I hope you guys are. But Chad, you guys better be paying attention. The first fundamental events of September are going to be coming at you guys now in a little bit, so we're going to lock in for that. Keegs, what do LFG mean? What do you mean? Like, are we being serious here? Like, what does LFG mean, or is there something else? Lazy, 2 G's, the stove is too hot. Best option is at least kill the good XM trade on Bitcoin. Hey, there we go. Main my mental, you help with your USD strategy. What? I don't understand there. But let's carry on moving. Keegan and Bonang. Let's keep it going, Chad. But we're going to get right into it so you guys don't miss out on anything. So without further ado, my brother,
yes,
Mr. Bonang, will you open up with a prayer for us there?
Thank you so much. Let's go straight into prayer. Lord, we come into your holy presence this afternoon, thanking you, Lord, for the gift of life. We return all the glory unto you for the gift of life and wisdom. In everything that we do, Father, bless the work of our hands. May we not fail in the name of Jesus Christ. We pray, Father, that your light be on our side in the mighty name of Jesus Christ. In whatever that we pursue, in whatever that we do, may we flourish and prosper. This afternoon, I pray for each and everyone within the chat, within the community of 2Gs, Father. May they be enlightened, well-educated, and given wisdom out of these dreams. In Jesus' name we pray, amen.
Amen. Beautiful stuff. Chad, if you guys are in agreement, you can drop an amen. And without further ado, let's get right into it. Starting off with the fundamental chat. Now, as I said to you guys, main event we want to be taking note of is a PMI coming out at 4 o'clock. So we're going to look there. 48 to 49 is what we are expecting. So it's going to be quite interesting there for us. So things could be cooking up a storm very, very shortly. So we're going to monitor this one. But that is pretty much it. And obviously we have Trump speaking tonight. But as I said to you guys, we should be off the market by then. So we shouldn't be on there. But that is there for us also to take note of. But Chad, that is it. So without further ado, let's get into the market, see what is happening there. Let's go up to the dollar and see what can we get into. So dollar, as we said to you guys, pretty much a neutral outlook for us at the moment. We are seeing it trading bullish back above this area again, talking about that fake out we held yesterday on the lows. Now trading bullish, massive bullish engulfing candle for the dollar into their monthly pivot. Now, are we just going to see this being a test for us for the month? And does the dollar start to melt away for the rest of the month? Or is this where the dollar is going to put up that fight now and show us that it's not going anywhere? So we're going to see if it can hold this line, get above that monthly pivot. I think that's where the dollar can start to do some damage. So we are going to just monitor that and see what is going to happen over there. But Chad, without that, let's also just go over to the next thing and let's have a look here. See what is going on. Sorry, Chad, I've seen alerts going off there. Onto NASDAQ. Let's have a look. So NAS, we spoke to you guys. We are still bearish. We spoke about Monday daily trends, and we spoke about, again, the idea, seeing that come out. We also spoke about indices. If you guys have been around long enough, a little hack for you guys on the daily time frame. If you see a doji, what that should mean there for you. If you're an OG, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. But again, nonetheless, let's have a look here. So continuing that move to the downside, very, very extended one-way traffic today. So if you're not in it, I don't know if I'd want to get in it. I'm not going to try and sell over here, guys. If you look at this now, I think we're 1.6% down on the day. Asia lows all the way up there. Asia highs untested, and we are at the weekly S2 and en route to the daily S4 at this point. There's our daily S3 over here. So absolute massive move, and I'm just gonna be real with you guys. NASDAQ, I'm not gonna want to get involved in. I don't want anything to do with that. So that's that for me. US 30, you still have a bit of a chance. I mean, it's 0.9% down on the day. But as you said to you guys, we were also still bearish on this pair for the exact same reason. We spoke to you guys about this area, that if it didn't flip back up, what was going to happen? You're going to see that massive sell-off for the wick fall and back to those key areas, and this thing is absolutely just melting away as well. So again, with all honesty, we're at the previous weekly low now. You could see this be a fake out, but it is such an extended day. Two things are going to happen. This thing could be then you could catch an amazing falling knife. Otherwise, this thing I think is going to do a lot of pain today, and it's just going to carry on like that. So again, unfortunately, not going to get involved there as well. Gold for me is the interesting one. Gold, I'm prepared to take a move. I said to you guys, I'm happy with the sell. The only thing I don't like is if I do take a sell on gold, that means everything is bearish, and you guys know I do not like doing that. So that's the only problem I have for this. But at the same time, we traded bearish here. If we are holding here, we can see where these daily 4 hours were. We can see a nice little level of support there, and that's where we're basically trading at the moment. So if this thing can get back above that R1, we could see the move hold there. But again, if we trade now, you can see that big bearish pressure. We start to hold underneath. If this breaks lower, I do think we could see a nice sell on gold, and this selling pressure could just continue. So again, we are going to take note of that one. We're not going to just go blindly about that. But Chad, very, very choppy conditions today. I'm not going to lie to you. This is typical NFP week, but we're going to have to monitor, see what happens there, and then just take it as we can. Hopefully PMI maybe bring some volume, which gives us some clear direction. But without further ado, Bonang, over to you, my brother.
All right. Thank you so much. Let's see if people are awake. Those 2 G's. Slay, 2 G's. I see you there. Walter, 2 G's. I see you there. Beautifully done. Smoothly done. All right. What we have here is the NASDAQ markets, right? Finally, that TP projected on Monday has hit this afternoon. And then this morning we took a buy, first buy, small scale, and then we entered buy number 2 at this level before the stream, and then this here is our final entry. What we are waiting for is a drive up. I'm expecting this market to actually go all the way up to the PRV on NASDAQ. So I'm expecting a very good much push to the up. That will be a lovely one for this wonderful afternoon. At this point of time, at any price right now, market execution will be ideal. That means anywhere here, buy. Target the PRV. Before we target the PRV, I have always said this CV here, or the value here, is the magnet within this market. So we're expecting this market to flip in, push all the way up back to that zone there, and then we are good to go. There's nothing else that this market has to do apart from repeating or going back to retest those key zones upward there, basically. So buys for me, I'm still holding on to the buys, though there is a bit of some of the account that is a bit in a very, very serious drawdown there, so I had to stop on that one. On the other accounts, very, very much safe to continue holding these trades. Scaled in 1, scaled in 2, scaled in 3 there. I'm sitting in there and expecting a drive up. That's NASDAQ for you. And then as of US 30, what a drop. But when you see, or when you look at this market, has reached a key zone of the 27th, but there is a sell TP here that was not touched at all. This is of the 26th, if you can look at it very well down here, which is 44,939 there. Basically, this may be the case. Nevertheless, the fact that our trading zone is above where the price is currently sitting, we may actually start to flip in there. So I took an idea or a decision to enter on a scale in there. That's a trade. I'm targeting the CV, which is this area of interest here. Current value 45,544.88. That is my level for Monday. That's my basic target for this New York opening session. I'm expecting this market to flip up with a high demand. Now, there is a sell TP of the 26th, which is 44,933 there. Somewhere I had written this is the safest area to buy. Was expecting this market to come here, but it is only now, today, that it came. So this will be my stop loss in case this price drives beyond this level. I'm not going to continue sitting in that trade. Sell TP of the 26th last month, which is 44 933.18 will be my final stop loss. Then I have a small trade within that zone, which is a US30 buy. I hope this makes sense. Apart from this, I do not have anything. So buys, I'm looking for buys during New York session. I'm looking for buys on gold. No, on US30. I'm also looking for buys on NASDAQ, basically. That's how I am in these indices. Let's see. Expected to be a very good push to the top. Let's see what will happen. Thank you.
There we go. Beautiful stuff there, my brother.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it, chat. I hope you guys are ready for it, because we're having a great start to September, and we just want to keep it going. Gold, I'm locked in here for today.
Let's see. Where are the people? How is your afternoon? How are you doing? Long time, Anthony. Where have you been? You are cruising nicely on the or with the profits. Does that news rule also work in the competition for Volfunder kicks?
No. You can trade news.
No, it doesn't work. You have been answered. We are cruising nicely. Enjoy yourself. Smash the like button. So people are well. That was quick, eh? Minutes waiting now.
Chad, just giving you guys a heads up, I'm not trading the cracker today. I just let the team know. You can if you want to, but we've just seen it in past. On a day like this, super expansive, it's not fair on the cracker. Whether it gets it right, it could still, but for myself, again, we are already having such a great week. I don't need to do things and put risk if I don't need to. So there will not be a cracker trade today. You guys can still look at it and see what it would want to do, and see if it would have worked out. But as I say, I'm not trading the cracker. For example, if price sweeps Asia highs and tests and rejects the EQ shortly. FX Master, did you not watch the video, my brother? What's up, Chad? Keys Bonang, what's up?
How are you doing?
Chad, if you haven't yet, 240 of you currently on the stream. Only 40, there we go, already jumping up, 60 likes. Please do us a favor and drop a like. It is greatly appreciated. Please spend the grabber to FX Master. One of Keys famous 2 cents. It's valuable. Okay, my brother, I'm going to do a very quick rundown for you. We have 6 minutes. So in 6 minutes, I'm going to run down for you how the grabber works. Let's go to US30. Alright. So, US30's got 3 rules. Rule number 1, Asia highs and lows. Okay, so what happens? There's Asia lows, there's Asia highs. You want a retest of one of them. That wasn't there, so that was your retest. Rule number 2, you need a sweep of the lows or the highs. So technically, do you count this as a sweep? No, sweep has to mean that. Why? Because it needs to close back in. So again, hence we always say what? A fake out. The EQ is above us. So this is where the guys always like to refer to it as a reverse grabber kick. You're going to almost trade to the EQ. But this would have to close like this. Close back into the Asia range. Trade up to go get the EQ. And if it rejects under the EQ, that is your entry point for a short, and there you go. The rest is history. That would be your position. Asia lows is your first target, otherwise daily S1, which funny enough is actually right there. So a 1 2 3, which I always say to the guys, a proper grabber kick initially is just a 1 to 2, but that would be your trade. I hope that helps, my brother. Just like that, you had the whole grabber kick just given to you. What happens if I'm in a trade without it? Well, what do you mean if you're in a trade without it? What am I missing now?
Stop loss. Oh, he's talking about
Little dull. You can copy trade. You just can't copy trade multiple vault funded accounts. So you can copy trade, for example, a FTMO and a vault funded account. Afternoon, everyone. What happens? Oh, never mind. TV stop loss. I must have breached. Alright, I'm curious, since Bonang doesn't use stop loss TV, how do you calculate risk for Bonang? Yeah,
should I calculate the risk?
he's asking you if, because you're not using like a stop loss, for example, how do you work out how much you want to risk on per entry?
My risk is determined by my daily limit, right? For example, I enter a position size that is equal to, for example, I have a 5% on daily, so my risk is actually 4.5, sometimes max, depends. So sometimes I can, like, I have an account here that is on 99%. Let me show you. 99% to breach. So that was me risking all of it today. But the fact that I didn't breach is what keeps me in the game. Let me show you. So literally, my position sizing is what matters. You get me? You want to calculate risk for me? Do you calculate risk for yourself? Let's see. Jesus.
Full port. Basically, Bonang sends it. What about the max, the 2% max per trade? Mark, again, that depends on the account. So obviously that 2% is for Vault Funder, and that's for Vault Funder live accounts. That's not a normal challenge account.
Do you see this? Is it gonna be visible? Where's the guy?
Yeah, they can briefly see it. There's just glare, but they can see it.
Yeah, you see, that's 99 today. So I almost went full margin. Then tomorrow I'll go full margin again for the last 50k that is remaining on this account. Then I recover the loss of today and I pass. Same time. That's me for you. You get it? I full margin. Full margin.
All right. Warang. And that is it, my brother.
Depends on how expensive the account is. Other accounts I don't go full margin, my brother.
Markets are open. Round 4. Ding, 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 ding. Fight.
Round 1.
Let's go. NASDAQ continues melting, guys. Do you see that? Let's see. Especially with this program that allows you to rescue an account. If you preach, you rescue there and then you continue. If you're on phase 2, you continue. Bonhang is go big or go home kind of guy. If I keep on blowing, I sell my Fortuna. Fortuna is in the line. Come on, NASDAQ. Let me check what's going on this account. Crazy NASDAQ. Flip in now. 32, 33, 34. You see, 4 minutes of the opening really matters. So far so good, man. Their executions are good. Their spread is fine. And also, they seem to have a lot of money, my brother. I'm the one who is still battling with the dollar thing. USD ZAR thing is. I'm just gonna copy trade you from a ZAR account into a USD account. Then my trades will be taken automatically. This will save
They
me.
say taking England to town. In what, my brother?
Let's check US30.
I'm just watching gold here, guys.
Look at this US30 thing.
I'm not touching this. This is cricket ODI. Ay.
I'm waiting for this magnet to be activated, which is the CV. Come on. It's what, Wednesday today? Tuesday, okay. Why does it feel like Wednesday?
Yeah, it does feel like Wednesday.
It's because of the holiday.
Yeah.
Guys, Fortuna is at stake. If life keeps on hitting me, I sell the Fortuna. I use the Uber. Don't be like me, please. And this is not financial advice. Don't sell your property to trade, please. Very dangerous. Very dangerous. Siriso. Don't do that. Don't try it. Jakes. Every index is melting for some reason. Can't seem to catch a break. The break is now, my brother. Wait and see. They've melted. They've reached their level. The rest, like especially US state, is currently doing illegal moves. These moves are not allowed. All the way from that key zone to the down like this. Serious illegal moves. They must not be like that. So we want to see this one obeying the rule.
Yeah, Miss Nobody, gold is choppy. It's definitely looking risky, but hey, I like a challenge.
Hey, I was already listing the polo on the marketplace. Don't do that, my brother. Mo, polo, you don't do that, man. We sell even the wife bonang. Chai! Unfortunately, I don't have a wife to sell. If she was around, she was in trouble. But how do you sell your wife for money, guys? You would love money so much? More than your own wife? That's too much. Boom, 6 million, man. 3 million is too small. But are you aware, Brian, that I have shut a lot of prop firms around South Africa? Have you heard that story? Ask your brother Chris. He will tell you. This man Bonang is on the hunt right now, shutting down prop firms. That's why the 2Gs said prop firm killer. Prop firm killer. Trump is talking tonight, so maybe illegal moves playing out right now. But guys, this sell was already projected on Monday. We spoke about this price coming here. It went there. There's no need for you to worry about. We spoke about the sell. Even US state, we spoke about the sell, TP, then this key zone. This side, we are fulfilling the 20th, 26, 27 moves. So there's still very much a valid reason why this market is dropping. It might not be Trump. Price is negative. It has to go down. Now it's time for the price to recover. You understand? Pay attention. Soon you'll be typing W's right now. Where are the people? Somebody said, Bonang, you need to. I got some advice. Bonang, you forgot the most important vehicle of them all, the CIA or the quantum. Yes. Do we sell it? No. That's business, bro. That's business. What platform to copy trades? Is it on the mobile? I can't have it on laptop. I work on coffee station. My boss is always on my shoulder. Jesus Christ. Type where to find a copy trader on ChatGPT. They will lead you to greener pastures. Which trades are you copying? That's the question. Whose trade are you copying? Another question. Because if your boss is after you, which means you can't even open an account. Need an account by any means. No, my brother, don't do that. You see, prop firm anytime can close. To sell your car, to buy an account on a prop firm is dangerous.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
At all. Anytime they can shut down and then they start to tell you stories. I'm telling you, you don't do that. Whatever you have worked hard for, unless the car you got it for free, no problem, you can sell it. Things like iPhone Pro Max, 14, 16 Pro Max, 12, whatever, these ones you can sell, not cars, not a house. For trading, you can't be crying when you have an iPhone 16 Pro Max. No, that's a poverty mentality. Kicks is dangerous with mixing, guys. Chai. I have heard this, but I have never gotten a 500 e-wallet from a English, Brian. Why no e-wallet? You want e-wallet? With all the TPs you are doing, my brother. You also, I have heard that you have got a group. You are a signal provider, Brian. Why should we give you e-wallet? I have been chilling nicely on gold. Now, you see gold? You must see it after CPI. Yo, Bonang, would you add positions when you're in the profit? I won't. I have a trade here. I have a trade here. I have a trade here. All my trades. Trade number 1 is on drawdown. Trade number 2 is on drawdown. Then trade number 3 is on drawdown. I'm not adding. I will only wait for a flip to the TP. Nothing else. US30 is the one that I can add trades anywhere where the price is looking to flip inside.
Gold is so choppy.
Let me show you something, guys. Quickly. This is today's trading zone, which we also used on Friday. So we are expecting price to come back inside that zone. So adding a trade anywhere outside that zone is good for me. But as soon as we're inside there, I can't attempt. I can't. So anywhere here is a buying zone for me. But I wouldn't want to battle with too difficult, guys. A NASDAQ difficult, US30 difficult. I would rather leave this one to hit a stop loss and then I continue fighting this guy here. I do have a stop loss on US30, definitely, which is my sell TP of the 26th. That price is important in the market. Haha, I tell my group to go 10 times on Kicks trades. Only, not Chris. What did Chris do? On US30, I do have an SL here. And it's going there.
Chad, I'm not gonna lie to you.
This one.
I really like the gold buys. I should have been in it already. But it is just so choppy. And we have news coming out in 20 minutes, so we'll see what happens.
Look at that.
But very nice.
Did you check gold? I didn't check gold today. I feel like this gold thing has not been fair to me.
Me and gold, we're getting on good terms again.
Serious?
We've had 2 wins yesterday. Today she's looking nice.
You see,
me and gold are becoming friends again.
let me show you what happened, Kicks. You see, I had a trade here on the 18th, somewhere here.
Yeah.
This buy, this one. My projected TP was that one. You see, some of these things, when it's not your time, it's not your time. This one was a buy target. Let me show you. So I had targeted this TP here. It went there. Look at this. On the 7th. From here. That was my entry. That was my projected TP. Did you see what price did? Price actually hit me, took my stop loss. That's why I was saying I don't like stop losses. Took me out.
Yeah.
After that price, look at how price rallied all the way to my TP. Boom. After that, I tried to attempt a sell here, targeting this level. In fact, this thing has been dealing with me. Day before, I entered here, hit me. I enter again here, it hit me. So now, I'm like, no, my guy, continue going wherever you are going. We'll meet.
We'll meet again.
I will meet again after CPI, because you can't do this and then you rally up like that.
Yeah.
That's not fair. Imagine, took me out. After being taken out, price goes beyond even your target. So unfair. But what can we do? It is what it is. That's why you must not risk your own money like me. Like any other trader. I do myself preach and advocate for prop firm, because I'm risking their money. That's why I'm so much comfortable with right now. My money is minimum compared to their money here. Which prop firm are you trading mostly, Bonang? Unfortunately, I cannot market them until they pay me, guys. Unless also if you are within our community, that's when I can recommend prop firms. But if on stream like this, I can actually recommend the partner that is Vault Funder. That's the only firm that I can talk about right now. Vault Funder, guys, is doing wonders. Do you see where we are sitting here? 2Gs and everything is because of Vault Funder. So if I start to speak about other guys here, I may get fired. I'm using the studio, I'm using the cameras, I'm using this and that. Then I start to market other people here. What happens? They will be like, Bonang, you are not a good guy. You understand? Unfortunately. But if you are within the membership, definitely you will be guided. So that one is all in your hands to do your own research. Do your own research, my brother. Test all of them. You will get the good one eventually. But don't forget to test Vault Funder. And enjoy yourself. Bonang, now Brian gonna start charging the members in the group. He has to. Why is he adding you people for free? Nothing for free under the sun. They say Jesus Christ was given as a free offering. That is not true. I'm telling you, any conditional gift is not a free gift. God gave his only begotten son, and then he attached a condition. He said, whosoever believes in him will not perish, but there is a comma there. If you don't believe in him, you are going to hell. It's a condition. If it is a free gift, if Jesus Christ is a free gift, then we can gallivant, live anyhow, sin as much as we want, and then boom, we go to heaven. That's a free thing. That's a free gift. It gives us access to heaven without us laboring or living upright or not rejecting the same gift again. If you reject Jesus, hell is yours. W just on which W's now? My brother, we are still crying right now. Oh, you have faith. I see. Chai. Why is Discord not working? Which Discord? Kicks. 2Gs?
Which one? Why isn't it working?
It's working. Oh, pre-Ws. Thank you, my brother. I just wanted this thing. Oh, there is news in few minutes. Oh, it's gone. Because news will really mean us pushing up. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't embarrass me in front of the whole world. There is a mentor somewhere screenshotting me. He wants to embarrass me somewhere. Say these ones, he's claiming to be trading. He doesn't know what he's doing. Please, NASDAQ, prove them wrong today. There is a Brian sitting somewhere, not believing. Hey, Jesus. Guys, I'm trying to bring some vibe within the stream so that you can enjoy yourself. And again, you can hear this music is causing me to, NASDAQ Tandega should never embarrass me. You see, US30 has already done me wonders here. But please, NASDAQ, save me from this disaster. Just look at this. This guy running straight to this level here. With power and passion. Hey. This is what we call sniper entry to poverty.
Okay, Chad, I'm gonna... Just because we're looking at something here. There's a little paper trade, but testing some source. I think maybe I know you guys do listen. So those, if they were listening to me, how I said I was looking for a position on gold. We took a position there.
Smoothness.
Ran a 40 pip stop, and we ran a 2.5 TP, 2.5 TP. Now, again, before guys we're like, Keegan, but you didn't
show us.
There is the trade.
Smoothness all the way.
There. But as I say, we are testing something. There's a lot we're going on behind the scenes. We just need to make sure it's working properly. But yeah, for future, we will be giving you guys a little bit on it. But if you guys were listening earlier, I said to you, I was looking at that position. It's just because if you guys see anything about it, you guys know where it came from. But yeah, you guys did have your first there. As I say, it's for future stuff. We are testing. We're testing something. Maybe it's the crack attack version V. So who knows? Maybe you guys are gonna have to see. But maybe the cracker is coming over to gold. With the VF comp, can you use MT4? I'm actually not sure. Next video, any gold needs to go back up. Keys, you always paper trading anyway, remember? Yeah, bro, it's just paper trades, guys. Don't worry about it. It's just paper trades. We just on a mission, Chad. One of these days, we're gonna figure out how to withdraw from these demo accounts, so that I can keep buying more cars and things like that. But demo just hits different, guys, when you can withdraw from it. Sheesh. And Checkboard Nike straight coming back, Chad.
We are expecting a good move.
It's the Phoenix 2.0. Rising from the ashes.
We want to see it doing its job. Boom, 3 million loading. 6. Why on 3? Why are you stopping on 3, bro? Let's go to 6 meter. I always tell people that even 20 million is made in a day. Guys, have you seen that there are people who are pushing serious positions? Hey. You play. There are people pushing, go to Pakistan, that side. Hey, you don't know. There are people pushing serious position, $400,000 per day. Why not? It's possible, guys. You just need a good guy who is willing to pay you for your skill. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't embarrass me. The whole world is watching. Shoo. USA to thank you for saving me from this disaster. Come on, do your thing. Chai. Let's go. The CV is calling us, guys. That one there, upward there, this level. Oh, it's calling our name. That one there, it's calling our name. Let's go.
Hold on, Chad. I think my laptop.
Do you borrow me that? Yeah, it's a bit cold now. It's dealing with me now. What's your TP? My take profit is very far. The previous close 23,703.50 on NASDAQ, and then US 30. This area here, that was our sell entry. The CV, the value, is expected to be tested again. You see, there's a high possibility that when we break here, guys, non-stop, we are not being stopped by anything. 45,544.88. Boom. 6 million. We want some trillions. I saw another video, another guy is saying quintillion. 56 quintillion. I was like, Jesus, he's pushing a US 30 trade, mentioning quintillion, and you can see numbers. I'm telling you. We just need a proper liquidity provider, Kicks. Please, let's be searching for one, my brother. Those who can't stop us from buying a Ferrari if we want it in a day. No risk, no Ferrari. Let's go. Come on. When is the news?
4 o'clock. So 6 minutes.
I'm so very much impatient. I'm impatient now. Nas just sweeping the other level to go bullish for the rest of the week, maybe. NASDAQ was supposed to be bearish. I said it on Monday. I said it on today again. It was supposed to be bearish. This year was the TP. US 30 also was supposed to be bearish. This year was the TP. This was the key zone. We hit them today. Now we're expecting price to go back up there, and we close above. I'm telling you. You are very correct, my brother.
So, Chad, I'm literally just quickly...
I just don't want embarrassment from this market. Nothing else. No embarrassment. Please, do your thing. There are people who are actually supposed to be watching a stream and say, that's my mentor there. Not those who will be asked, who is your mentor? They start to cover their faces like this. Convincing the market. It has to. The liquidity is the members. Let's go. Move. If you are selling, reveal yourself right now. We want to see you, and you must probably tell us why you are selling. Perhaps tell me why you are selling. Not this time. But I agree, Brother Bonang. Technically, it's bearish, but there are signs that that might turn around. But we could be wrong. It's just retail traders after all. My brother, it's time for us to be bullish. There's no any other thing that this market must do. Otherwise, we should just stop doing what we are doing and start to look for mentorship somewhere. Today, I feel like Raja. Buy stops and sell stop. Raja, that soup that is sold on Spa. Is it Spa? The Raja I know. is at spa. Do they also trade?
We're gonna run it up here, Chad. But more so I can close on 10k profits on the comp account. Hey,
So
the boys are eating, yeah.
no shame here. PFI way. Caleb, enjoy yourself, my brother. Yeah, I want people to look at me and say, that's my mentor there. After hitting that withdrawal button.
It's coming, my brother.
Mm.
It's coming.
And there is a guy here called Mr. Jack. Ooh, I'm going to make you an admin, my brother. You don't get tired. Yo.
Sorry, Chad, I'm just busy. I have to just journal quickly,
Now I've turned into a sticker written imagine. Chai! See guys, I'm a sticker now. Hey, these guys are doing wonders. Jason, thank you. Yo. They say news in 2 minutes.
Sheesh.
Somebody asked me, how do you trade news? I want to one day, King, since I'm here, we trade this CPI live on YouTube.
No, we've done it before.
Serious, eh?
Yeah.
I want that. I want to show people how I trade news.
No, we've done it before, bro.
Nice.
I'm not gonna jinx it, but we actually have 100% win rate on the live times we've traded news.
Somebody will say, who is shaking? Don't shake. Why are we emotional? Wait for the boom to the top. We are stuck now. No more movement until in the next 30 seconds. Jake. Sure.
Gigs, have you looked into the theory of NFP doing the opposite of ADP? Because I've seen it happen like 5 times this year already. Not necessarily, my brother. I haven't, like, we have, but I'm not gonna say I've purely looked into the idea of it does it, that it does the opposite. That I'm
10,
not gonna say I've looked into.
8, 7,
See what this
5,
news is, Chad.
4, 3, 2, boom.
Alright, so it's
No volume here.
40 seconds till we're gonna get the release. Okay, there's 4, but 30 seconds till we can see what it there we go. 48 was a 48.7, higher on the manufacturing PMI and lower on the prices. Okay. Okay, we could see the dollar pull back a little bit over here now.
You can't embarrass me like this. US state. Repeat what we have always done. Chai. This news, they will hype them and hype them as if market will crash. What's wrong? PMI.
Can I close the trade now? What trade? That's such a random question. Can I close a trade?
Did we take it together? Yo.
US What USD trade are we in?
Buy.
No, why are you asking me? Ask.
Oh.
No, I'm not in the trade if you can close it.
Oh. I'm not closing my brother.
I'm afraid I will breach. Wait. Okay, hold on. Okay, JLW, you need to give more context to this question, my brother, because you are confusing all of us. Are you trading a live Vault Funder account? Is that why you're asking me?
And who is your mentor?
Okay, if it is a live Vault Fund account, no, you cannot close it. If you close now, you will breach. Okay, Jeddo, I'm gonna walk you through it, brother, because you can't close. So we're gonna interact here. We're gonna educate. When you sign the contract, what does the rule say? FX Master, I'll get to you now. I'm just helping JLW here. No news. No. It says there cannot be market execution during a news event. Where's a time window? What is that time window? The time window is 6 minutes. 3 minutes before, 3 minutes after. I say to the guys, if you already are doing it, just make it 10 minutes. 5 minutes before, 5 minutes after. So what you can do is wait till 4:05, and then you can close.
See this guy.
And even then, if you really want to wait till 10 past and then close.
See this guy kicks. In the group. He's dangerous. He's dangerous, this one. Brother Matthew, enjoy yourself. I love it. I just love what I see here. Sure.
Now, guys, but again, just to be like real with you, this is the whole thing where, and I'll actually even give credit, because as much as these other oaks sometimes are scammers, the one guy did a video on that where Bonang's even spoke about it, actually, where we spoke about you need to understand the contract you sign when you join a prop firm. So now, Joe, please, I'm not saying anything to you, just as in general, because there's a lot of other guys that genuinely still ask us this question. But for example, the fact that you weren't aware of that you had to ask or double check or anything like that, you're not 100%. Now, how are you signing a contract on something if you haven't made 100% sure what you're doing? Now, I'm not referring to your trading, I'm referring just to what you're signing, if that makes sense. So always make sure you need to know that contract like the back of your hand. If I close now, I made 10% profit. So just wait, my brother. Just wait now for the 5 minutes, literally 10 seconds. Then you can close if you want to. Because then you haven't breached any of the rules.
Sidiso, Bonang, the CV and the PRV are powerful, I must say, just by observing when you explain your market breakdown. Welcome. These are the people that we are looking for. Because 2Gs stands for information and education. And that person here, Sidiso, is one of those who are well informed and they have studied and watched close how we do or how the markets react to the PRV and the CV. Yeah. Salute. This is a person who is not even part of our membership. Enjoy yourself.
JLW, no, bro, you don't have to be sorry. As I say, it's not that I'm trying to pick on you. I'm saying in general, because there's a lot of guys. You'd be amazed how many oaks breach and then they come back to us. I didn't know about this. And then we're like, bro, here's the contract. You signed it. You read it and you signed this contract. Then it's okay.
But have you understood that people don't read?
No, they don't read. Bro.
Yeah, especially right now there are those software agreements. Like, do you agree? They will just like and then agree, then they pass. That's what they do when it comes to contracts. And And here we're talking of real money. You are signing a contract for money and you are just browsing.
Yeah, and it's the same thing. That's what I say. Like, even if you did read it, but you don't understand what you're reading, then
Ask the question.
ask the question. Say, what do you mean by this?
Before you sign.
Before you sign. So let's just say, JLW, you don't have to say sorry. Like, we're just genuinely trying to explain this to guys because oaks do not understand what they sign. They don't read.
And also you have a right to request for a refund if you feel like the contract is putting you under pressure. You can tell them, I'm not signing this, please refund me my challenge fee. They can do that.
Yeah. But
this is business between you and the firm.
As long as, and okay, JLW, I really don't want to be the guy to breach on your bubble now, but keep in mind, as I said, there's that 6-minute window, 3 minutes before, 3 minutes after. Please don't tell me you entered 3 minutes within the 3 minutes before, or you made any changes. That means you didn't change your stop loss, you didn't change your TP, you didn't take away a TP or a stop loss. You didn't do anything on that account 3 minutes before the time. Please just tell me you didn't do that. Yes, this isn't my first time trading prop, but first time I will almost be able to pass. Beautiful stuff. No, JLW, wait. Is it a live account or is it a challenge phase? The fact that you just said you have to pass it still. Because I asked you earlier if it's live and you said yes.
Check this one, Kicks. Check this one. Read that guy there with the screenshot I passed. See how much you made there. You went 5.0 on USD. 164.
Challenge phase. JLW, if you're in challenge phase, my brother, you can do anything. You can trade news then. It doesn't matter. It's just when the account's live, you can't trade news. When it's in the challenge phase, you can trade news. So you're fine, my brother. So Keegan of Vault Funder, if your trade takes 3 minutes to hit TP, you breach your account. If it has no, supersedes, no. That's not what I said.
Somebody says, damn, what a trade. Okay, I want to say something that my brother Chris said while we were at lunch. He said there are guys who are literally hunting for our members. They are looking for your names, guys. These things that you are doing here, you will be marked very soon. They want your names one by one right now. These guys are doing damage.
Okay. FX Master. Okay, yeah. Here's my next question. What difference does this do for you? Because majority of brokers are talking cuck when they say this to you. And secondly, I'm going to take a guess you're not really an FX Master if you're asking so many questions yet today. Keys, that 1 minute turn EMA is a news predictor. It is, bro. Frustration is building.
The Dow Jones, a prop firm without rules will probably scam you.
Hey, you'll pass it, bro.
Yeah, if the rules are too light, it's actually they are hooking you to take your money.
I also breached my funded account with Vault Funder after 7,700 rand. Sad day for me. How did you breach after your profits, my brother?
Imagine.
There is no time limit on trades. Yeah, Vault news. No geese. I trade with tight stop loss. Keep thinking I'm being reprimanded, yeah. No. Oh my word, we have a JLW and a JW.
Sure, the power of execution, Randy. I love it. This guy. Sure. I think this is the best trade of the week. Goes to Randy. My brother. Yo. Chai.
GBP red folder news affected my one trade and never knew it affected gold as well. Was it a live account? Evan? I'm OG though, Miss Good. Keys, is there a way to not opt for that 2% rule once funded on VF? No, not really. As in, why, Carl? Like, would you wanna risk more? Tune, hey. $25% up for me on a challenge. I just bought it thanks to Mr. B. Hey.
Who is
Yeah,
that?
my brother? In USB past phase 1, if you just bought that, why are you even up 25%?
This guy.
Enjoy, guys. Seeing you all at London by the grace of God. Thank you, Keith number 9, for the stream and profits. I'm out. Hey, Walter, have a good one, man.
So, what is the target? This guy went 25% on a target of 10%. That's what he's saying. He has passed. Shoo.
Probably the progress bar. Yeah, that is probably true, yeah. I remember we had that last time.
Hey guys, Walter, seeing you all at London by the grace of God. Thank you, Kicks and Bonang, for the streams and profits. I'm out.
Hey, this is your chat.
So people are literally enjoying themselves right now. And they're not even sending a W. What's going on?
Nah, the boys are eating. Chad,
I'm telling you.
I told you, me and Bonang are smacking these markets out of the park this week.
I'm telling you. This is a sign that we are here now. We are not here to play. We have arrived.
We told you, Chad, the TGs were stepping it up in September.
And there is also more that is coming. I want to see people who are willing to come and trade or be taught live on studio here. Show yourself. Who is willing? Imagine. Who is willing? Who is willing to come down, sit down with us, do this thing on a trading floor like this? Who is willing? Are you ready for that? There's something big coming. We are cooking the best. Who is up for that? Huh? I am there. Wonderful. Willing. Nice. Take me. Beautiful. People are here. So there's something amazing that the 2Gs are building. A very massive trading floor where people can engage on a, not online, live and direct interactive session. I love it. I'm very much prepared for that. We just have to speed up the process. We just have to speed. I just can't wait, guys. I just can't wait. We want to see how much lot size. Anyway, let me not talk too much. Let me not talk too much before I sell out a dream here. I'm in sales on NAS. Pablo the King. You are dangerous. When you say you are on sales, you must tell us why you are selling. This Pablo guy is the one who is always influencing this market to go down.
Also, Evan, my brother, I don't know what prop firm you're trading with. It's not Vault Funder. I just checked. You have no live account with us, not even a normal account with us. So I don't know what account you blew when you were 7,700 up on a live account, but it was not a Vault Funder account.
Is he using the real name as the same as it is here?
Yeah, it is because we know him.
Mm-hmm.
But he's talking cuck there. He's not with Vault Funder.
Imagine.
Don't come talk shit here and make it look like we're breaching your accounts.
You, Pablo, I want to see you one-on-one. What are you doing? Can you imagine on trade
Even
number?
exactly. You had an account with us in February. That's not now.
I will send my setup on Discord. All right.
And I remember February because that's when you threw your toys out the cots on the whole Discord, and we had to literally send you a recording of you in your risk interview. Evan, my brother, you are going to start this again, and I promise you it's not going to end well for you. I promise you this.
I'll come to the office now, Bonang. No, not now. Ha! This guy. We are just preparing the floor for you so that you can come. Wait, there will be a proper announcement for that. But this is what we are cooking right now. Massive stuff.
Papio,
Guys, let's just take it to another level from now, 2025 and beyond. Beyond.
No, I'm not complaining. I'm just saying what y'all even when I'm saying you're making it sound like it happened now, like when we were talking about news and you like, oh, y'all also just breached after a profitable day. Like, no, that's a old account then, like you said, from February. And again, that's where you threw your whole thing out on the Discord, and we literally had to play the recording of your voice acknowledging the news rule, and that you understood it. Ruining my thunder, Rooks. What did Rooks do?
I just noticed that people really enjoyed this US 30, man. And this NASDAQ.
Nah, bro, man, it's chowing over there.
But I don't know if people enjoy small movements and neglect the fact that we're still gonna go all the way up, or
I think people
They're
get
enough.
excited, bro. Because let's just be real. People, every trader, they over leverage.
I see.
So when they have a move like that now,
Yeah.
and they over leveraged,
Like that guy.
that's not even gonna be like a 1%, but for them they're busy flying like 6%
That guy went.
because they over leveraged.
Can you imagine? He went 5. He went 5, 10, 20, 30% with full margin.
But that's what I'm saying. Like, I think that's the thing why guys get excited, and because they've over leveraged, and then when it's up like that, even there's a way bigger TP to be hit here. There's so much money they've already made now. They're like, I'm happy. I'm happy.
I'm fine. So which means sometimes short moves, big entries can actually achieve big stuff, other than waiting for too long. You are doing good, guys. Anyway, what works for you? For me, I'm a guy who will be like, I'm projecting a whole entire upward move. Now think about it. If I go 10.0 here and I'm holding all the way up, who's will finish their money, these guys? Chai! What I see today on the group is massive. I love it though. 10 is 10, bro. I see. I mean, a guy from here to here, he made almost 146,000. And he's out. Happy. That means I must go to a lower time frame, I'm telling you. Damn. But one slight mistake. One slight mistake. The cry you will cry. I take very low risk. Yeah, similar with me. I keep on compiling until they reach a certain level. But I do acknowledge the fact that there are days where I just go aggressive. But I just look at where the market is sitting for me to go aggressive. I don't just go aggressive anyhow. Like this US 30, aggressiveness is cool. 100%. Especially coming from this level here. If you entered from here aggressively, targeting that CV, there's no stress there. That's a turning point, flipping in and jumping all the way up. Yeah, people are different in terms of risk management. And it's not him alone. There's another one, Matthew. He's at war also, doing wonders.
50% of the competition accounts are already DQ. Damn, that's bad. 2 days in trading. And there, gold's back up to 3,500.
Guys, well done, guys. I'm really proud. I love it. I love it. Let's do more, guys. Non-stop. I want to start something like my brother Chris did. That 100,000 thing. I want to start it. I will be displaying it here.
Gold killed me this week. Guys, you should just trade with us, bro. We 3 for 3 on gold this week. Bonang,
Yes,
my
sir.
brother, I think after that we are going to get ready to wrap it up.
Yeah.
Call it a day. What's your closing remarks there for the chat, my brother?
All right, guys, there is nothing to stress about. NASDAQ is still expected to flip all the way to the PRV 23,703.50. That's where this market is expected to flip back in. I'm very much happy with the kind of behavior that the market is doing right now. It's just that we are having a slow volume to the up. That means at a slow pace, we are going to continue flipping in and going up there. There is a CV here, which is very, very much key to the market as well. 23,415.42. If we hit that level, I'm expecting myself to be breaking even and then run risk-free trade. Nevertheless, I'm still on buys, holding on to my buys, and I'm expecting price to flip in all the way up. And there is a highest target, which is 24,154.76. I was expecting a massive push to the up today. Unfortunately, this did not happen. Let's see what the market has. We'll keep on holding. So which means tomorrow we are starting from here. There shall be an update on these trades. If I decide to close, that will be only if I'm almost dying. But so far, I'm good. No much of a risk in this trade. Jumping into US30, I'm expecting price to go to the CV at least. That's when I can close these trades. That is 45,544.88. So whatever fluctuations that may happen here should not scare me up until we reach that level. This is H1 time frame, and there's a high possibility that we may take even 4 to 6 hours before we even arrive there. There's no stress about it. We'll keep on cruising nicely up until we arrive at the top. There's nothing else. Let us meet tomorrow, London. There is a prayer in the morning, 7:30 a.m.
Yeah.
It's a Wednesday tomorrow. So make sure you join us and be part of the word trading with faith. Let's make sure we read the word, study the Bible, and preach the message of God and pray together before we start the London session. So 7:30 a.m. we are going to be here live and praying, and then also 8:30 we are still going to be here again, analyzing these markets and doing the most for the community. Nevertheless, the best thing you can ever do for us is to subscribe to 2G's YouTube channel, and also make sure you turn on notification button so that every time they upload anything, you see it first. Thank you. Bye-bye.
There we go. Beautiful stuff there, Chad. Bonang, thanks for joining as always,
Yes,
my
sir.
brother.
Yes, sir.
Chad, you guys don't want to miss out. Again, this has been a great week. I think we're on track to probably have our best NFP week yet.
Yes,
so
sir.
this is going to be
September
big.
is looking very, very interesting.
It's looking
starting with powerful moves, and that's exactly what we need. You know?
There we go. So, Chad, without that, don't be silly. Don't do something we wouldn't do. Again, if you have those profits already, call it. If you're still in your trade and that's part of your plan, again, stick to that plan. Let it play out. Don't get emotional. Just see it through as it needs to be. We're going to see you guys same place, same time, even actually a little bit early tomorrow for trading with faith. Don't miss out on that. And then we're going to see you guys for the New York session again. But again, thank you for you guys. That road to 20K is absolutely around the corner. So if you haven't yet, subscribe, drop a like. It would be greatly appreciated. And we're going to see you guys same place, same time. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers,
Salute.
Chad.
Thank you.